ZBCom Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Welcome to my review of ZBCom, a crypto exchange platform that's gained traction for its robust trading tools and security measures. ZBCom caters primarily to traders who need a secure, user-friendly environment with competitive fees, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. Here's my experience with the platform. First, the interface. ZBCom features a clean, intuitive design with straightforward navigation, ensuring even newcomers can quickly get started. The exchange offers both a web platform and a mobile app, both of which perform seamlessly. For experienced users, ZBCom includes advanced trading options like margin trading and a range of analytical tools to make data-driven decisions. When it comes to security, ZBCom excels. It employs top-tier encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold wallet storage for most funds, minimizing the risk of breaches. The platform also conducts regular security audits, which is reassuring for users transacting large volumes. One of its standout features is its asset support. ZBCom offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, as well as lesser-known altcoins. This variety caters to investors looking to diversify their portfolios or explore emerging tokens. For those focused on trading costs, ZBCom provides competitive fees. The maker-taker fee structure starts at 0.2% and decreases based on your 30-day trading volume or ZB token holdings. Additionally, deposits are free, while withdrawal fees vary by coin but remain relatively low compared to industry standards. ZBCom also includes staking and savings products, allowing users to earn passive income on their crypto holdings. Rates are competitive, and the process is straightforward, making it accessible for all levels of investors. Customer support is responsive, with a live chat feature and a detailed help center addressing common issues. While it doesn't offer 24/7 support, the team's efficiency during operating hours ensures timely resolutions. However, one area for improvement is the fiat gateway. While ZBCom does support fiat to crypto transactions, the options are somewhat limited compared to larger exchanges. This might pose a challenge for users who rely heavily on fiat deposits. In summary, ZBCom is a secure, feature-rich platform with competitive fees and excellent asset support. While its fiat options could improve, its strengths in trading tools and security outweigh this minor drawback. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, ZBCom is worth considering for your crypto needs.